Okay, this set is rooms in a house. The first one is la maison. A lot of you associate this with mansion, which is fine, but that's going to get your vowels mixed up. So make sure it's A-I and then S-O-N. Also remember that this is an exception. It's feminine, even though it doesn't look like that. L'escalier is masculine and it's singular. We go upstairs. In French, you go up a staircase. So it's very rare that you'll see that plural. It's going to be escalier. La salle de bain. Salle is room, and that's what is feminine. Bain is bathing, and it's always going to end in an S. So even though we're talking about one bathroom, place of bathing, it's going to end with an S. Also remember that we talk about, we have one catch-all term for bathroom. Salle de bain in French is this kind of a bathroom where you bathe yourself. And then they often have their toilets separate from their bath shower. And so there's a different word for that. Okay, so la salle de bain. La fenêtre. Remember the hat over that middle E. Le grenier. La salle à manger. Remember that salle, we're talking about room, is feminine. And then it's à and eating. Le garage. This is masculine because A-G-E is a masculine ending. La chambre. Bedroom. Le salon has nothing to do with hair. This is your more formal sitting room. Not put your feet up on the couch and get popcorn all over while you watch a movie. Okay, so le salon. L'entrée is feminine because it ends in an E. La porte. La cuisine. Le jardin. Looks like garden, which is true, but it's yard, just the generic for yard. La pièce. The accent over there is important. It's not piece. You say the P and then the accent makes it E. Pièce is room. Les WC, always plural, even if you're talking about one. And this is your half bath. There's going to be a sink and a toilet, and that's it. And they're often, as I said, separated in France. So les WC, short for water closet, and technically it's supposed to be double WC, but they just get lazy and they say les WC. Le séjour, this is more of your hangout, be comfortable room, as opposed to le salon. Oops. Okay, and that's it.